My name is Jeronimo Hernandez. 80s, when I moved from Mexico to here, I tried to find a secure job. So there's one of my brothers, he used to work in this industry. They come to ask me, what you want to work in the cars, sending cars, prepare to paint it. I said, yeah, why not? I mean, it's how they bring me into this car industry. Well, I started this business in 2009. I started with a small shop, pretty close, 5 minutes from here. I came from California, with my dreams, try to open my own business. But it was kind of hard because, in California, back then, even it was everything expensive. One of my friends, they moved here to Utah. And then he went over there a couple of times, and always asked me to come to visit him. Then I came to Utah, and then I started seeing those places, the rents, bills. I mean, I just talked to my wife. I think this is the place. We should be move here. I think this is the place where we're going to open our business. And then I like it. I love it. Then we start working on it, selling my house in California. And with that money, the first I did is buy the empty lot. Because my dream, again, it was open my own shop. Then I start from there. At 1039 S Redwood Rd in Salt Lake City. We almost offer everything. We do framework, mechanical, electrical, paint job. I mean, everything related with the cars, we do here in-house, here in JJH Shadow Body. I used to go to SEMA. My old boss, they used to take me. Then I was watching the tools. When I was watching that car line, man, they made me crazy. I said, one day, I'm gonna buy this equipment. After many years, finally, I got it. It was my dream to get those tools, but finally I get it.